1991 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 here at Unique, especially in classics. Believed to be original mile truck, 79,678 on the odometer right now, and Texas truck to boot. And we're going to get into a few things. Very easy to believe that's the original miles. We're going to look at the lower rockers. I'll tell you where to check out the undersides. But first, underneath the hood, 4.3 liter. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC compressor does kick on and off. Tech noted the AC does blow cool. Could blow colder, but is working. Take a look at the chrome, the bright work up front on the grille. Light blue paint code, 27. And paint shows well on this one. I'm going to get into that in just a little bit here. So, still pictures. So you can see the underside of this to be able to check out the engine bay, the bed, the interior. Still pictures, unique. ClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. You can see us riding on the BF Goodrich Radial TAs. Those are newer tires and rims. Date code's 2023 on the tires. A lot of tread left on those, and you'll get a good close-up in the still pictures. And take a look around these wheel wells. Not what a truck looks like from the Midwest. You can also see down here in the paint, it looks like the original paint protectant behind the wheel well. You also usually have it on the front of the bed, on the lower rocker, right here. So around the wheel wells, lower rockers, very nice shape. You can see the paint. It's a nice shine to it, not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Previous owner stated that it's a porcelain tint on this, and it was recently done. So know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. We're going to get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at that, but you can tell it was definitely professionally done. And look at the bed of this truck. Definitely not a truck that has been worked like you'll see on the farms around the Midwest either. So check out those still pics. Also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It's like a Laverne rear bumper. Obviously chromed. Couple little minor dings. That's being awful fussy. Look at that tailgate. Extremely nice shape. Another thing you see in the Midwest trucks, a lot of corrosion on that bright work on the tailgate. So we know what spends its time on there during the winters up here. So Texas truck, believed to be original miles. Does have a 2-inch drop on the rear shackles too. So this thing's got a nice stance to it. We have a fun truck for your roll-ins, cruisins, just driving it. You're looking for a nice, solid, old-school truck, here you go. Check out those still pics, UniqueClassicCars.com. Previous owner states it also has a newer radiator and gas tank, newer performance shocks. I mentioned the rims and tires. Tires are 2023 date codes. That AC compressor was rebuilt and has been converted to 134A. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like Chevy trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. And if you are subscribed to our YouTube channel and watching this, I'd like to send a personal thank you to you guys that are subscribers. We made 100,000 subscribers. Got a pretty cool plaque to hang up here at Unique. So thank you. And I hope you keep enjoying these videos. Let's check out this interior. One spot, let's see. I may have to look for that again. There was something I was going to point out. We'll do a little bit of digging here in just a bit. It's another thing, being pretty fussy on this. I'll see if I can find that, because like I said, I thought I wanted to point it out. Again, down on these lower rockers and around the wheel wells, nice and solid. There's that protective tape again behind that wheel well. Those lower rockers are solid. And we do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. So if you can't make it and look at this truck yourself, feel free. Have an inspector come take a peek at it for you. We even have a lift that they can put the truck on if they want to look underneath it. All right, here's some of the things that really make me believe easy to be original miles. Look at just lack of wear on that armrest. Everything appears to be original. That door panel, there's not a bunch of oiled or stained fabric on the top of that like you'll see with somebody's arm sitting up there a lot. And then take a look at these seats. Really hardly any wear at all. You have a little bit of wear on the carpets, but again, not much, kind of what you'd expect. In the still pictures, you can be able to see underneath the floor mats in the still pics. You can see we do have cruise control here, tilt column. There's your exact miles, 79,678. And that is a 6-digit odometer, so no reason to believe it's over 100. I've also had the AM, FM radio working, so let's just click this on a second. Whoops, meant to hit volume, sorry.
Very helpful. They care about you as a person, you're not just a number to them. I would recommend.
Look at the top of this dash. Has not sat outdoors. Some great looking interior. Take your time looking through those still pictures too. Headliner good shape. That door closes nicely. Get an idea how it sounds. Nice sounding truck. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to pop this hood open, take a peek at the engine bay, see how it looks underneath there. But it's nice and clean. All right, hood's open. I'm back over here on the passenger side. I remember what I want to show you, and it is subtle. I don't know if I can get it to show up, but there's a real small kind of dinger right there. But like I said, it's there. You can kind of see it. Again, that's being awful fussy. I mean, the paint looks fine, but I noticed it walking by and I just wanted to make sure. It's something most people are never even going to notice. Here's that engine bay. So hood liner, obviously hasn't been driven in climate weather. Nice and clean. And then look at this engine bay. Lack of any sort of corrosion, really grime. As you can see, also newer alternator, Delco model even. Power brakes, power steering, AC 4.3, automatic with overdrive, die-hard battery. This one's ready to roll. 1991 Chevrolet 1500. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1991 Chevrolet 1500 pickup truck. This truck in very nice condition. If you see the inside of that bed, it is smooth and shiny. A lot of the rest of the paint very nice as well on this truck. The interior is as well looking good. Seat, cloth bench with an armrest for the driver. Our speedometer is working. The temperature gauge is a little over a quarter of the way. Our oil pressure is showing 40. That's 3/4 of the way up the gauge. Fuel gauge working, showing almost full, and the battery showing 14.5 volts. The factory radio is working.
Pictures on her phone. She's not coming home.
I've got a little heat blowing on the feet right now, so the HVAC is working as well. Let's give the wipers a test. There's the wipers working. Smooth ride on the highway. Just engaged cruise control, and that's functioning as it should as well. Roll up windows in this truck. Not all of them had that. That is the ultimate in reliability for your window rolling. Brakes working nicely. This truck also doesn't lean very much. Feels good in the corners. Easy to steer. Even the steering wheel doesn't have much wear on it. As you can see, the weather is changing in Minnesota, but We do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. Very nice inside and out. 1991 Chevy pickup truck. Take a look at all the pictures of this. Chevrolet at uniqueclassiccars.com.